Hey all, my name is Jessica and I'm with Key HR. We are a boutique company that helps small business owners solve HR issues. Usually when people think of us, they think we just do payroll or benefit administration, or they think we're just another PEO. But we are the real deal. We are locally owned, women-owned, small business right here in downtown Orlando. We have a fully staffed HR department with SHRM certified professionals available to help our clients stay on top of the daily challenges in our industry. That being said, I've had a lot of questions come in from local business owners in the Central Florida area. Due to the type of business we are, we receive all the latest updates and resources available for business owners with regard to the COVID-19. And the truth is, it would be a terrible waste for me only to share this information with my existing clients. So I've created these videos as my social distancing way, if I could only say these words, to help educate the community and provide resources that are available to them, with the hope that I'm able to make a difference and help as many businesses out there improve, do better, and improve our local economy here in Orlando as a whole. Now, a quick copyright disclosure. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. Allowances made for fair use purposes such as criticism, comment, new reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. We can all win together. Now on to today's topic. The proposed legislation for the CARES Act, otherwise known as the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, Economic, and Securities Act. This was published on March 25th, and this act was passed this morning on 3/26. So on March 25th, the U.S. Senate negotiations and the Trump administration reached an agreement on the CARES Act, a $2 trillion stimulus package that would be the third phase of the federal government's response to COVID-19 pandemic. It includes $500 billion in corporate liquidity from the Federal Reserve, $377 billion for small business loans and other assistance, $150 billion for hospitals, community healthcare centers, and community health care providers, and $150 billion for state and local governments and tax rebates, 13 weeks of expanded unemployment benefits, and business tax relief. Of that, $377 billion is proposed to be allocated for small business interruption loans and other assistance aimed at helping small businesses make payroll and cover other expenses. $17 billion in relief resulting from the SBA stepping in and making 6 months of principal and interest payments for all of their currently outstanding SBA-backed business loans. The economic disaster loans would provide cash flow assistance through 100% federally guaranteed loans to employers that maintain their payroll during the pandemic. There will be no loan fees for employers that do not lay off and continue to pay their employees. Their loans would be forgiven. It is proposed that this provision is to apply retroactively to March 1st, 2020 to encourage employers to bring workers who may have already been laid off back onto their payrolls. Small businesses with 500 employees or fewer, including nonprofits, would be eligible to apply for the loans. The loans would be immediately available through the SBA's existing certified lenders, including banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions. I'll have a link below for the SBA website to apply for this loan directly. The size of the loan would be tied to an applicant's average monthly payroll, mortgage, rent, utility payments, and other debt obligations from the previous year. The maximum loan would be $10 million. Conditional upon the business retaining their employees and their payroll levels covered through the period March 1st, 2020 through June 30th, 2020. The portion of the loan used to cover the payroll and payments on pre-existing debt would be forgiven. Further, employers with tipped employees would receive forgiveness for additional wages paid to such employees during the covered time. This bill would expand the allowable uses for the existing 7A SBA loan program to permit payroll support, including paid sick leave, supply chain disruptions, employee salaries, mortgage payments, and other debt obligations to provide immediate access to capital for affected small businesses. So There you have it. I know this is helping our clients already, and I hope this will help you too. If you have any thoughts or comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you have found this video informative and helpful, please like it by tapping the thumbs up button. My contact information as well as the links for this video are located below. I will be adding content regularly going forward. If you want to learn more, please subscribe. Thanks for listening. Stay safe and healthy. Namaste and God bless.